When I say you will die the way you live, I'll give you a quick story of a man who, subhanAllah, I buried 2 summers ago. This man started to come up to the Jamia, where we pray. We're in the main mosque there in Sydney, and we were watching the CCTV. This guy just shows up. In the summertime, it was about 3 a.m. Fajr is about 4:30, or he'd come about 3 a.m., 2:30, a couple of hours before Fajr. And he just prayed 2 rak'at, 2 rak'at, 2 rak'at until Fajr. He'd pray Fajr and he'll leave. He wouldn't come for Dhar, Maghrib, Isha. You'd never see him again. And you know, the mentality of the human being is quick to jump to conclusions. So we thought this guy must be an informer. Now this is what we're thinking. Until the last day he attended the mosque. He prayed 2 rak'at, 2 rak'at. And the last 2 rak'at he went down and never went up. And he died in prostration. I watched him and buried him that day. Only to find out, subhanAllah, that this man was diagnosed with a terminal illness a few weeks earlier. Told, go home and live your days at home. This man always wanted to die in prostration. He had the concession to stay home, to pray in his bed. But he wanted it. He asked for it. He wanted it, and Allah gave it to him. With whatever energy he could gather every single morning, he would go to the mosque. He would pray 2 until Fajr. Except that day Allah had ordered for him not to make it to Fajr, but to die in prostration, what he wanted. SubhanAllah, my brothers and sisters, my brothers, this is exactly, you will get what you want if you sincerely ask for it.